Tumawid ako sa block ngayon. Nababaliw na naman ako, guys. Pumila akong makeup. Mag-makeup ako mamaya. May make-upan daw ako ni Yam eh. Di naman ako marunong mag-makeup. Hulo. Ay, basa pala siya. Austin. Aww, thank you for following Austin. Austin, where are you from? Nice meeting you. How am I supposed to live without you? Master. Now that I've been loving you for so long. Balik ako sa sleep. Natulog ka, no? Ba't ka gumising? Ba't ka nagising? Di mo ako sisilipin? Di mo ako sisilipin mamaya, pre? 9. Where are you from? Egon. Austin, I'm from Philippines. How about you? Pag nagising ako. Hi, Norge! Good afternoon. USA. Oh, really? Hi, nice to meet you. We're in Pinas. Batangas. You know where is Batangas? Batangas is where the people live. All of them are pretty. Hi, Norge. Are you at work? Oh, really? Do you know Batangas? Have you been in Batangas? Good morning here. Okay. What time is your work, Norge? 11 again? Do you sleep? Do you fall asleep? You are so ganda. Oh, really? Thank you. By the way, Austin, I'd like you to invite on my PK later, 9 p.m. here in the Philippines. I don't know what time is it at yours, but I hope you can come. Norge, what time was your work? Is it raining? How old are you? I'm 29. Yam, Tara na! Nasaan na kayo? Bantay ko lang kayo. Sinong tumawa? Ice cream, ba't mo ko tinatawanan? Yam, ready na ako. Pwede bang pumunta sa flat white nang nakapantulog lang? Tagal ni GF. Sana ba? Nandito ka ba sa bayan, Yam? Norge, by the way, I'm gonna meet my friends. We're going to have a coffee. Just woke up, getting ready to work. Okay. Wala pa. Nasaan ka? Yam, nasan ka? Ba't napupunta ka pa ng bayan? Saan ko kayo dadaanan? Pal. Ano oras pa tayo? Dala ka pang make-up yan. Baka abutin ako ng PK dun. Tsaka data. Austin, thank you for tapping. Nice to meet you. Biyahe pa lang siya pa uwi. Wow, updated. Sana all. Hi, Austin. Austin, I'm sorry. I'm at work. I can't up you. Paano yun up you? Okay, I'll try. Just a small time, ha? Pagod pati yun. Hindi mo kinaya, Yam. Updated siya. Naglaro kasi sila kanina. Oh, iba din. Where's Austin? He is lost. Lost in the sea. Kuya Mark, shall we? Free wifi doon. Kaya nga, Yam, doon ba ako matutulog? Sa inyo ba ako matutulog? Okay lang, sa sasakyan lahat ng gamit ko, walang problema. Ba't ganito notification? Maraming Wilmer! Wilmar, hello. Tutulog na ako. Congratulations sa OPK mo kagabi. ID number, hello. Yan. Yan, bumili ako makeup. Kala mo marunong gumamit. Pwede ba nakapantulog doon? Tamad na akong magbihis. Pwede ba ito na suot ko? Solo. Norge, are you having a tea or having a breakfast? You need to have breakfast. What time is your pasok? What time is your work? Diba it's 11 a.m. to 11 p.m.? Punta tayo sa OPK ni Amber. Hi, boss! Aba, oo. Hindi pwedeng wala kayo sa PK ko. Matampal ko kayo. Yan! Napakatagal nyo. Inaantok na ako. 12 till 11. So, what time is it there right now, Norge? Norge, are you coming? Norge, I'd like you to meet my friend, Meg. Meg is my friend. Ah. Norge, please take care of Amber. No one is taking care of her. Yeah. Norge, are you going to take care of me? Hi, Grease, Urge, Herson, Darga, hello. Isang word lang pala yun. Isang tao lang pala yun. Norge is busy at work, yum. He's at work. Right? Diyos ko, ngayon pa lang sakay ng jeep si Sisi. My God. Para sa Rio. Saan ba siya magmumula? Yam, umalis ka na. 6 p.m. daw. Nasa bayan na siya. Kaloka. Really, Norge? You're making me kilig. Sisi! O, diba? Dito ang meeting place. Sa live ko. Uy! Asa na si Jai? Paano si Jai? Okay, I'll trust you. Norge, I'd like you to meet also Celine. Celine is also my friend. We're going to have coffee later. Dinner and coffee. Around 6 p.m. here. Masakay na ako ng jeep. Uy, tawagan niyo si Jai. Si Jai ba? Makakasama ba siya? Walang malilate, please. Sana all. Si Jai, pupunta ba? Daanan ko siya. Demon! Alwafi. Lo, naka-ano ka din pala, Demon. Nakaaba ka din pala sa akin. Thank you. Pauwi pa lang ako. Daanan mo. Ingat ka po sa biyahe po. Kaya nakapantulog nga lang ako. Wala pala akong damit, Yam. Nasaan yung damit? Dalhin mo. Wala akong damit. Ito lang damit ko. Paano yun? Ang galing. Large, we're going to have a dinner, but I forgot to bring color coding tayo. But I forgot to bring damit. I forgot to bring my damit. My extra clothes. Anong color mo, GF? Black. Black. George, hello. ID number M. Naka-blue kasi ako. Pajama party.